welcome back to my YouTube channel. Those of you who are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Preet Birang, and today's video is going to be all about talking about my July Boxy Charm box. So those of you who don't know what Boxy Charm is, so Boxy Charm is a monthly subscription box where you get 5 high quality brand products. Maybe it can be a skincare product, makeup product, in just rupees $25, which is a bomb deal. So today I'm going to be talking about the same, and I would be creating this beautiful look with you guys. So yeah, let's just get started. And just in case you guys have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And also, if you want some discount on the Boxy Charm, my affiliation link is mentioned down below. Make sure to use it. Let's begin. So these are the things which I received in my July subscription, the monthly Boxy Charm box. Now this is a bomb deal. Like, these are a very popular brands and you're getting everything in just $25, which is definitely a bomb deal. I would highly recommend you guys to check out Boxy Charm just in case you guys are interested in makeup or skincare, because you're getting a bomb deal and you get all these amazing high brand products in this box. So let's just talk about the first product which I got. So that is 3 Skin. I don't know how to pronounce this brand, but this is one of the very popular brand. It retails for $135, and it is a pollution defense booster, kind of daytime booster, which will actually protect your skin against the harmful aggressors of the digital age, which works really amazing. It can be used by anyone, youngsters, the people who have anti-aging, so anyone can use this, and it is very soft and very light to skin. I'm not going to be mentioning the products which I'm using apart from the Boxy Charm box. So right now I'm just applying a foundation. You can use any of your favorite foundation. After that I am applying a concealer. Again, I'm saying I'm not going to mention the brand names because this video is all about discussing the Boxy Charm products which I receive in the box. So you can use your favorite concealer, and then using a beauty blender, blend it out. Then also same goes to the loose powder. Use your favorite loose powder. Product which comes in the line is this Ace Beauty Bronzed in Paradise palette, which has all these beautiful different 4 shades, which retails for $30. Can you imagine $30 palette, and it has all these beautiful shades. Now I'm using this first shade, which is a little lighter shade, and I would be applying it on my crease. Now I'm using this bronzer palette on my eyes also, because it can be a 2-in-1. It can also give you a bronzer eye effect, like the eye look. So that's why I'm using this on my eye. Now second color, I'm taking a little deeper color from the last one, and again applying it on my crease, just focusing on the crease and making it little deeper, and just keep blending it out on both of your eyes to give a little deeper effect. Now the very last shade which I'm using is a darker shade from the last one, and applying it on the outer V corners of my eyes, blending it out so the outer corners of my eyes get a little depth. So that's what you have to do, and you get that smoky brownie bronzer effect on your face, which is definitely one of my favorite looks, and you can also wear this look whenever you want. Now the fourth product which I received is the Studio Makeup Endurance Cream eyeshadow, which retails for $25, and it is kind of in a copper shade, which is one of my favorite shade. And just look at that glow. It's beautiful, like very easy to apply, and I really like how the color is coming up. Like, it is not too much glittery also, so I am really liking it. Like, easy peasy. Also you can use it for a normal party. So yeah, I'm really liking it, how it's coming up on my eye. You can create a wing eyeliner. So here I have created a wing eyeliner on both of my eyes, and then I am using an eyelash curler to curl my eyelashes, and then use your favorite mascara, whichever you like. So just use your favorite mascara, apply it on your eyes, And if you want, you guys can also apply a fake eyelashes. Well, I also applied a fake eyelashes. I am not showing in the video, but I apply a fake eyelashes. Now I'm removing all the loose powder from my face. I'm applying the dark brown color underneath my lower lash line just to give a little depth to my eyes. next let's move on to a face contouring part. I'm again using a Ace Beauty Bronzed in Paradise palette, and I'm using this shade, and I would be applying it on my cheekbones. I would be applying it on my jawline and just keep blending it out. It's gonna give you a very beautiful like bronze effect on your face, and I'm definitely in love with this palette because this palette is super pigmented and easy to use. It is a Cream Shop Ready Set Glow Cushion Highlighter, which is in the shade pink, and just look at that glow. So this one, like first of all I would like to give a minute to appreciate the packaging. I really love the packaging, how this has been packed, really nice. Now this product comes up with this pad, so you can use it to apply the highlighter on your cheekbones or the parts wherever you want to apply the highlighter. So I'm using it. My review would be the highlighter is good though, but it's kind of little sticky, so that sticky base I really don't like it. So the products which have those sticky consistency, I really don't go for those products, and this highlighter has that sticky consistency, so it's definitely not my favorite. Apply your favorite lipstick. As I told you, I'm going for a bronzer look, so that's why I'm applying a nude lipstick of like any your favorite lipsticks. Now the last thing which I received is this Lavish Quick Color Switch Dry Brush Cleaner, which retails for $20. If I had to buy this product, I like never go for it. Like $20 just to clean the brush, I will never go for it. But getting in a Boxy Charm box is a good deal. Try it out, it works really good. It definitely takes out the eyeshadow from your brush. Now this is my final look, you guys, and it was easy peasy, very quick to create. Like I did not use too many makeup products, and the palette which I received, the Ace Beauty palette, it was like 2-in-1. You can use it on your eyes also, and you can apply it, like it's very good. I really love it. So my favorite product from this Boxy Charm box would be the Ace Beauty palettes. That's definitely my favorite. So yeah, that's it, you guys. That's about today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope you guys liked the look which I created, and yeah, I'll see you guys with a brand new video super soon. Right now I'm signing off from this video. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on all my social media handles, which is mentioned down below. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye bye.